Welcome to my channel Crochet Best. In today's video you will see the beautiful designs of bed sheets. All those bed sheets are green in color, but designs are different. After seeing this bed sheets designs, all my friends who work as crochet can get benefits. Those friends who do crochet business can also benefit by watching this video. And bedsheet designs and color make the best video for them at work for them. You all can get many benefits from all my videos, so that I can make good video for my friends. I hope you like my videos. Please support me. In this video I try to show you different designs in green color. I hope you enjoy my video. When you like my video, please support me, like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you my friends. Bye and enjoy this video.